Going to move into a brief of what's happening on the ground as we know it. Based on intelligence that the CIA obtained, Al Zahir leadership is staying off the grid and moving orders through a single trusted courier. The courier is operating in the Islama-Huntley area. We do not have confirmed identity. Pattern of life analysis indicates that he's a senior facilitator. Our primary mission is to locate, isolate and capture the courier alive within our window. Capturing the courier unlocks intelligence on safe houses, routes and most importantly the Al Zahir leader. Our secondary mission today is identify and capture high-value targets marked with red flags. Bring them to me. These individuals possess positive identification details on the courier, including appearance and movement patterns. Expect the local militia forces, armed escorts and civilian role players providing cover and logistics. That also includes CIA operatives on the ground. Our priority right now is to capture the courier alive, control escalation. Failure to capture the courier and the HVIs will leave the enemy network intact and will leave us for the next game. That is our primary mission today. So we're going to roll out. First thing is going to be a recce. I want one section and I want two section performing two recces simultaneously. One section, you're going to roll into Hilltop and try and make a positive network of communications. You're going to try and talk to their leaders, try and get some information out of them. Two section, I'm going to have you go out to Embassy and you're going to do a recce on a probable bomb factory that's going on there. You are not to engage. All I want is photographs. I want proof that there's shit going on there. That is your job. Does everyone understand? Zero, your tasking, if you're in my section, your tasking, unfortunately, is base defense. You're on stag. So before we move out, get all your kit ready and game on will be in 5 minutes. All right? Get all your kit squared away and we're going to try and move off. Get on them. Get on them. Get on them. Get on them. Don't shoot them, don't shoot them, you don't know who they are.
Whoa, civilians! Will you keep the fucking gun?
Two section, go and challenge them. You're right, stay here, cover that. Alex, go down with them, mate. If you can go this way. You can go this way, cut through the woods. Go down and search them for me. Cuff, do me a favour, cuff that guy in the red shamag, bring him to me. F the other two off. In there or you die, it's easy, your choice.
Don't be keeping me here for half hour,
no.
Standing around for anything. In there for you, bro, you gotta stick your hands in.
Got your map. Thank you very much.
He's a weirdo, isn't he? Look at him. Thinks he's some fucking Mexican cartel and that.
The Scouser.
I'm not a Scouser.
I know, yeah. Go on, mate.
Good play, boys.
Detain him! Get on him! Why did you run? Hands. Everything's out of play. Go on, mate. Bring him to the ops room.
Oh, he gets plastic. I'm Bethel.
Take a knee in the dry. Do you want to pat him down? Anything in here?
No, mate, I've got an out.
No tags?
No. Just throwing you off the set.
I'm with you, I'm with you.
Check his arse though.
Yeah, bend over, lad.
Taking weapons
No, I'm
off
joking.
him, are we?
No, give him his weapon back.
Bend over, lad.
Any intel on you, bro? So I'm going to go for every pocket.
Negatory.
Where did your f***ing retention Glock come from then? Same a goat ass, was it?
Yeah. Bought flea market.
I believe you. I actually do. It's not fucking.
We are offering Brog's mines. So if you can give us any information, we are looking for intel on an area around here that possibly doing some naughty stuff.
Yeah. If you hand over that intel, we might actually let you go within the next 5 minutes. You might have to stay for 30.
Go early.
Makes sense.
No.
How do you know how many you've got then?
I'll look at the sand and I'll look for blocks of white, and I can judge by the size of the block of white as opposed to the number. Yeah.
That took me a minute, that.
I'm still talking that.
One section. This is 0. Important, over.
Yeah, 110.
Be advised, enemy chatter is possible ambush. Be careful, over.
1, roger.
Just guide us out, mate, on that left. After tapping into enemy radio communications, we believe that one section are about to be ambushed, so we mount up to try and support. Hit! Unfortunately, the enemy lie in wait for us and catch us off guard in a second ambush and wipe our entire section out. Did the guy at the top clock us? At the top of the 2-story?
No, I saw around and this lad is.
No, did he see us? Did the guy at the top of the tower see us? Because I was like, if we got here and no one's seen him, like, oh, might we get away with this?
Yeah.
This also means that the enemy are now able to capture me and bring me back to their commander for a hazing. Oh, I'm gonna get rinsed. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it.
Face that way. Face this way. Face that way. Face this way. Okay, so, right. I'm going to do the stress position so you guys don't have to do anything. I'll just sit here for a few minutes and feel sorry for yourselves, right? Fuckers. Yeah. Fucking terrible troops. Yeah.
What's that thing that people say when they forgot to press record? Oh, so my files were corrupt, so I haven't got any footage for the very start of this raid. What we decided to do was pay a little visit to the enemy commander after I spotted some nuclear substance at his base. So we went in, kicked the door down, and we were just about to pick up the bags when I noticed my cameras weren't on. Now you're all caught up. Right, 2 troops on me! 2 troops on me! Take these! Take that!
Back to the vehicle.
Yeah, back to the vehicle, let's go! Bugging out! Task force, bugging out, let's go!
Contact right! 15 metres! Eyes left as well! Good.
That's contact left.
Contact right!
Hit! Nice trade. So I switched into auto by accident, mate, I'm sorry. Med me.
Yeah, I'm already.
This.
Go. There's some more outside.
Magazine. Get mad. I've opened this vehicle door too many times. Went well for the most part, well done. You smashed about 6 of them on the fucking start.
We received a Mayday distress call for a Reaper pilot going down in the AO. We scrambled quickly to get to the crash site and save our casualty.
That's the plane coming down! Let's go! Connor, call them back, mate. Yeah. You've got him?
He's dead. I've let him go back down.
Yeah, sound. Oh yeah, seen. Yeah, there's one more just tucked into the left, boys, yeah? Keep him occupied.
Before we roll on, I want to say a huge thank you to Op-Tac for sponsoring this video. They hooked us up with their RD1s and GC1s, and we used these to turn the place into a real full fake bomb factory, and it completely changed how the game was played. If you want to pick any of these devices up for yourselves, the link will be in the description down below, and thank you again Op-Tac for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back into the video.
Right, cover our exfil here, boys. Cover it. So we can keep an eye on these while we go down here. Magazine. Can we get to that Vic? You hit?
Big crash, that way.
And two, let's use both.
They're pulling back.
Okay, rolling back.
There's someone up your left.
Please work. Yes.
I got you covered, George.
Magazine.
On the way! That's a bit far. Great smoke, use it. Great smoke, use it. I'm over your right shoulder.
Yeah.
We are now preparing to move over.
Push up on him.
Yeah, go with him. It's only a sniper. Move in. Hits! That's a fucking wild good spot.
After getting slotted by a bushwookie and failing to save the downed pilot, we regrouped at our FOB, only to hear over ICOM that enemies were planning an assault on us. We dug in and prepared our defences.
Is it? Contact! Unseen. I can't see him. No, they're not. Yeah, seen. Contact right on the MSR! Yeah, seen. Keep him fucking, don't let him come up. You on the LMG! Rapid fire! Rapid fire! Target's advancing! Target's advancing! 30 metres!
Zero to speed 2, we are currently engaged. Parked vehicles in rear of Bob.
Understood. What is your enemy numbers over?
Estimate about 10.
Roger, roger. Connor, what's your sit rep, mate? Roger. Moving left to right. There's another one there, Connor, in a drug rug. Look at that dead player. To the rear of the dead player, mate. And I'm not shooting you, mate. Have you got your hand up? Yeah. 3. Yeah. Whoa. Contact. We've got contact in the compound here. Go on. One more in the compound.
After getting taken out by the enemy, I try and regroup the squad so we can take our fob back.
Okay, get over to the vehicles to respawn now, gents. Fast as you can. Fast as you can, we'll get back in. Try and take our f***ing fob back. Let's. Should we take it back? Take it back. Magazine. Huh? Oh, what's the grenade? Oh my god, what a nade! Woo!
Remember Samuel, both ways, guys.
Dead. Well played, mate. Well played.
After gathering intel all day, we have a positive ID on the courier, so we kit up and go on a full frontal assault on the compound he's being held at. Unfortunately, the patrol comes to a halt after getting contacted by an enemy ghillie sniper.
Yeah, take that corner, mate. Take that corner. You lot take the corner.
Keep your eyes peeled for the sniper, lad, yeah? Hit! There we go, he's down.
Got him.
Push in.
He's dead.
Rounds complete, rounds complete.
Roger that. Get in. Get in. Get in. Full assault. Full assault. Well played, mate. That was sneaky. Get in. Get in. The little bit of mesh. I seen the mesh on your leg. Yeah. So I was like from this angle. Yeah, the mesh on the leg there. That, yeah. Huh? Yeah, be careful, mate. That's where they're spawning. That's where they live. Can do, whichever. He's bugging out, he's bugging out. There's two. He's to your front, fucking 25 metres if that. Fuck's sake. You're good.
Go out. Are you supposed to be careful?
Right, so what we should do, mate, is try and go this way. Try and go that way, cut that way there, and cut right and try and get behind the building, mate. Yeah?
Yeah.
So keep a gun up on that guy in the top window.
I'll tell you, you guys have to go that way.
Go, oh, fucking.
I don't think I'll have a problem explaining this bit, so I run up, I get shot in the back, I die.
Yeah, we can go anywhere that's not under.
Oh yeah. Please tell me you heard that.
I did, yeah. He threw that about 40 minutes ago, mate.
I want to say he chucked that out before he did his fucking great run.
And with some sneaky plays, all of my cameras dead, and some sore legs, that, troops, is mission complete. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end of the video, and if you want to see more like this, I have a playlist just for you. Don't forget there's still 2 parts left of this series, so if you want to come and get involved, the links to all of my socials are down below. Thanks again, troops.